In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method in Amazon app. Start by opening the Amazon Shopping app on your device and signing in. After you enter your details and sign in, you will land on the main Amazon screen with the search bar at the top and various product suggestions below. If you share your device, make sure you are signed in to the correct Amazon account before you remove any payment method. Now look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the profile icon, the one that looks like a person. When you tap it, the view switches from the shopping home to your account area. Here you will usually see your name at the top, along with options for orders, lists, and account settings, confirming you are in the right place. From here, tap the option labeled Your Account. This opens a longer list focused on settings rather than products. On this screen, you will see sections for orders, login, and security, and payments. If you do not see your account right away, gently scroll a little and it should appear. Next, under the Payments section, tap Your Payments, or it might say Manage Payment Options, depending on your app version. Both names open the same payment center, where Amazon stores your cards and bank accounts. After it opens, you will see a list of payment methods, usually with card brands and the last 4 digits, plus any bank accounts or other options you have added. Once the list is visible, select the credit card, debit card, or bank account you want to remove. Tap directly on that payment method. The app will expand or switch to a detailed view for that one method, often showing the billing address and sometimes the default status. A quick tip here, if a payment method is set as default, deleting it will force you to pick another option the next time you check out. With that payment method selected, tap Edit. The Edit area focuses on settings for just this card or account. On many versions, you will see buttons to update the expiration date, billing address, or remove the method. If you do not see Edit at first, a short scroll within this section usually reveals it. After that, tap Remove from Wallet, or it may simply say Delete. This tells Amazon you no longer want this payment method stored. The app might slightly dim the background and bring up a short confirmation prompt so you can double-check your choice before final removal. To finish, confirm by tapping Remove or Confirm on that prompt. The screen will update, and the payment method disappears from the list, showing that it is no longer linked to your Amazon account. If it was your only payment method, the list may now be empty until you add another one later. You have now successfully deleted a payment method from your Amazon app, so if this walkthrough helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Amazon guides.